We're here on the port of Barcelona, and I'm here with Alessandro, and we're here also with the Recon fresh from the LA Auto Show, and it is a mock-up, not a pre-production.
Correct.
So Alessandro has mic'd as well, and we're going to go through from front to back. It's not a replacement for the Wrangler we talked about. It's
correct.
Baby sister is what we're calling it.
That's a little sister.
Color 41 green.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Same that we have on the Wrangler.
Two-tone, starting at the front. It looks like a serious off-road vehicle because I think it is a serious off-road vehicle. So you do have the Moab Edition, towing hooks, big bumpers, that 7-slot grille, obviously iconic Jeep, but now futuristic with these daytime running lights, LED lights, the anti-glare hood. Alessandro's getting no job at the moment, but I will give him some work to do in a minute. Okay, horsepower, battery, Alessandro, what are we looking at with the Recon?
Yeah, this vehicle, as you said, would be on sale in the US only.
Yes.
The total output is of 650 horsepower and 840 Newton meter of maximum torque.
Wow.
The battery is 100.5 kilowatt hour, 400 volts.
Wow.
Okay, and it delivers, according to the US cycle, 250 miles of range.
About 400
Pretty much
tons.
402 kilometers.
But this is US spec. We won't get this trim in Europe, but there will be a Recon coming to Europe. We had the presentation this morning here on the Compass Strip. D segment, we're going to have two different pathways. Recon, more adventurous customer. Wagoneer S, more luxurious customer, more comfortable customers.
Right.
But great to see it. 18-inch wheels.
Yes.
And moving around, we have
33-inch tire.
33-inch tire. And you'll start to see some Wrangler. This is the trail rated 4xE. So this has the ability, we won't be doing it today, to be able to lift off the doors.
Correct. Correct. In a very easy way. You just unplug the wiring here and you lift the door and you walk away.
Very good. And so you can see the utilitarian side of things. We look at the interior in a bit. Joshua Tree interior as an Irish U2 span. It's great to remember these names. You were showing me something unique, Alessandro, with regards to this rear window where we can remove it and we can have that open air experience.
Yes, you are correct. So we can leave one of our key pillars, the open air experience, in different ways. On this vehicle, it's very easy. You just unlock from here and then from the outside. Once again, you lift it up and you walk away.
So very cool. So
we can do this operation on 3 different glass. The one that you see, the opposite one, and also the window on the tailgate.
So you can have total open air, doors off, glass out, except for the windscreen, really. One thing we didn't talk about, Alessandro, is up on top, and we have...
Right, thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. So if you want to see here, how big is the opening?
Wow.
This is the Sky One Touch power top. It's the same option that we have on the Wrangler today. Okay, it's an electric open sunroof made of fabric.
And so you can see the roll top there. That size is absolutely huge. Well over 1 square meter. Very cool. Beautiful design. That, again, this rear tailgate doesn't remove, but it's the glass that can remove.
That's correct. Yes.
Yeah, very good. And then interior wide, Alessandro, we have, and because it's a mock-up, we have this polystyrene wheel because we need to make sure that the hinges, in production, it will be a much stronger hinge. But this was the one that was on the stand and revealed at the LA Auto Show.
Correct.
A couple of days ago. You can see the 4xE badging, the Moab, and it's the Launch Edition with that two-tone color. So we'll have a look on the inside if that's okay.
Yep.
Inside in the dash. You can see some of this real tactile, this utilitarian, and these blues. So the color coding, Alessandro, what does that? It's at touch points that you will use on a regular basis. So door opening and then terrain select.
That's correct, yes.
And you've got your large touch screen.
This is for the terrain selector, and this is also for the rear differential.
Oh yes, rear diff is here.
Then we have this beautiful screen. It is a 14.5 inch display plus a 12.3 cluster for the driver.
And this Joshua Tree color, but you can see that kind of a jerry can, ex-camo in the actual perforation, no doubt, ventilated and heated seats.
Yes, sir.
And so it has all the creature comforts, but you do have the ruggedness, and you can see where, yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And great space. Anything else, Alessandro?
Well, this car, of course, is designed for being versatile in any kind of a way. So we have a great trunk space.
Yes.
Behind. We can store and load a lot of stuff.
And as well as that, then you could have lashing points up on the top as well. I know because of the canvas roof, you have to be careful with that. And no doubt a towing capability as well, is that right?
Yeah.
Charging port rear left-hand side, which is good for the North American market with that NACS and the Tesla supercharging network. So thinking about that, future-proofing it, charging it, etc. There is a spec sheet up here as well, Alessandro. I might have a quick look through it to see if I've forgotten anything, but I think we're pretty much covered on anything there. If you want to pause the screen and have a look. Global black with Joshua Tree tan interior, vinyl seats, and you said your touch screens, etc., etc. And it's the Moab all-wheel drive, 650 horsepower. And we've got our little duck up on top of the thing. So, Alessandro, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking forward to seeing what the European tweaks are going to be on this.
There will be time for this. We'll have the dedicated session.
Great stuff. Thank you so much.